Good morning and welcome to a day in my life. Okay, so I just woke up and I hastily washed my hair. My hair takes forever to wash, so normally I don't do it unless it's like a weekend. I can literally wash my hair once a week, maybe twice a week. But I was so busy at the weekend that I didn't do it, so I had to wake up early today. Okay, so to add to the unprepared vibe, I have not done any of the pre-readings, the pre-work for today's classes. So I've got a cute setup behind me and I'm gonna get going. This video is also so kindly sponsored by Skillshare, which I'll get into later. Come along guys, let's do some pre-reading. Laptop stand so that I don't kill my neck because I spend like the whole day on a laptop. Okay, so I have two classes today. I have an Arts and Humanities class and a Natural Sciences class. The Arts and Humanities class today, it just sounds fun. It just sounds great. We're doing some Maya Angelou. We're analysing Still I Rise. Got to focus on both like verbal, facial communication. There's like a video of her performing it, and also the written text. I'm like comparing and contrasting the mediums, I think. And then in Natural Sciences, observational study design. We've been studying like the importance of study replication, RCTs, which is like randomized controlled trials. Our whole unit's also been digging into antibiotic resistance, which I have loved, yes, to biological sciences. But it's also got a real focus on like practical application of studies. So like we have to design our own studies and then like critique them with all this stuff we learn. That's me. I need to do some reading. Just in case you don't know how Minerva works, it's a bit of a strange one. All my classes, I will take on this laptop. You just get called out constantly. So if you don't do the readings, you're like screwed. It's literally like an online classroom. With one click of a button, you get like randomized into a breakout group. And your screen, you like go into this mini classroom with whoever you're in a breakout group with. You'll get this shared Google Doc and you can all like edit it at the same time, and you have a timer and you'll have like 7 to 15 minutes to do whatever task it is. So you're like, like you want to sit and chat because the professor can also like watch you in all your breakout groups doing this task. And then after the breakout group, you like come back into the classroom and everyone debriefs on their thoughts, which is just super cool, and it like reduces the time to like get into group. Yes, let's go. Hey, freedom from class.
Freedom, you say freedom.
Freedom, and on to tomorrow's readings.
We have a job.
Hello. Okay, I'm planning my British cultural event. This is like just taking forever. I assume most of you are from the UK, and it's very, very cool trying to like package your culture and your country and all the banter of the UK into one presentation for everyone to understand. But I'll show you what I've got so far. I genuinely think everyone still thinks that we all go to Hogwarts. That is a lie. Education system. I feel like this is just the epitome of the north-south divide. You go further north, you see more Gregs, you see fewer preps. I'm gonna do things like how to be British, a test. Be like, okay, so you are on the London Tube. What do you make sure that you don't do? How do you act? What do you do? The answer is you talk to no one, make eye contact with no one. You just get in your own little bubble, in your little rush to work bubble, and that's how you blend in as a British person. Just kind of sad, I'm not gonna lie. From the north, from the Canada, bankroll so low. Wow. Hey guys. Okay, so this is like one of the most exciting moments that I think I've had at this university. Okay, so I have never played an instrument in my life. And like it's one of my like probably saddest regrets is that I just never picked one up. I never learned to play anything. And I think because of that I never learned to like fully appreciate classical music. That is gonna change at this university, I'm determined. I don't know why, but I've always been really drawn to the cello. Like I just remember seeing it and being like, wow, like that's such a cool instrument. I would love to just like even be near one in real life. But introduce Ruyan. Ruyan is like a cellist, and she's just super kindly agreed to attempt to teach me like basics of cello, which is really exciting. So today is my first ever cello lesson. Yay! Yay! Watch me be awful. Oh my god.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, you should be able to sing like being a lady. You should be like,
Okay, yes.
Yeah. You feel comfortable?
I don't know if I feel comfortable. This thumb his finger. There, and I can go.
Relaxing.
Oh, high, low, low, low. I don't know what they are. Oh, this is A, B, C, D.
D.
Oh,
Okay,
A, C,
so
G, C.
A. And how we play.
How do I do it?
So this.
Oh.
This.
Yeah.
And this. So, and it is better to put it here. And relax. Okay, we're finished.
Hello, I didn't film it, but I just got back from the gym. I literally love my gym. It's just like the location is gorgeous. I'm now back. It's like 9:30, 10 p.m. and I have a meeting. Our social sciences assignment is a group assignment. So I'm gonna go see my group, contribute some work. I haven't done my pre-reading for tomorrow. I need to do that too. To do laundry at some point, maybe, hopefully, or I can do it tomorrow. Okay, so I'm back in my dorm and I've gotten into this really good habit of before I go to bed, I will always either read a book or like read an article or learn something new, and I genuinely often use Skillshare. Skillshare is this really cool online learning community. With a membership you get access to so many courses on literally like anything and everything, which I love. You can use it to create real projects. It kind of empowers you to have goals and want to learn more just outside of school. I don't know if you saw my video ages ago, but I've already been through Thomas Frank's productivity course. That partially changed my life. Like, I use a lot of the apps now, Todoist, Notion. Recently I've been watching more videos on creative writing. I've heard good things about this course by Daniel Older, a New York Times bestselling author, and this is like on character, conflict, context, craft. I don't know if you know, but here I co-lead a society for creative writing with another girl. We just do short writing exercises each week. We just keep each other accountable to write, and I feel like this gives me more inspiration by just taking some time to invest in hopefully writing better. Okay, are you ready? The first 500 people who click the link in my description are gonna get 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. Explore your creativity, learn a new skill, improve your productivity, photography, anything you wanna do. Okay, I'm gonna watch one video and then write for like 10 minutes, like hold myself accountable. Jade, tired, but I've gotta make time. Watching. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I hope this inspires you to also make some time for something you want to learn or do. Time doesn't make itself.